G'day traders. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of using a trading journal. And I was out this morning listening to Mike Bellafiore talk about some of the different trading methods they use with their prop system traders and some of the training strategies they use. And journaling is a huge one because they're focused on constant improvement all the time. And he talks about working with Brett Steenbarger, and it's all about creating best practices to keep you on track to being an elite performer. And you can have all the psychology in the world, but unless you have an edge and you're able to perform that edge in the market on a day-to-day basis or a week-to-week basis or month-to-month basis, then you're going to struggle with consistency. And one of the ways they do that is with journaling. Journaling helps you to articulate your edge, what you're seeing in real time, and how you're preparing yourself, and then when that opportunity presents, how you're managing that edge, and then following that process through and exiting it. So some of that comes back to understanding that trading is an elite performance activity, and you need to be able to approach it with that mindset. And if you're approaching it with that mindset, you have to be looking to create balance in your life and creating the best practices that will help you ensure that you'll be able to get that elite performance out of yourself in an unpredictable environment. So if you can create consistency with your own habits and activities and in your preparation and then flawlessly executing that edge, you can't control the market, but you can control perhaps flawlessly following that process through so that your edge presents and it produces that profit for you. So use your journal. Go down to your local store, spend a couple bucks, start writing stuff down. It can be as simple as your headspace, how you're going to enter the trades. You're looking through your playbook for your best trade setups. When that presents, can you make those decisions in real time? In that, if you're an intraday trader, in those few split seconds. For me, I'm mainly end of day, so I'm looking for some really simple setups over multiple markets that present pretty consistently. The other side of the coin is that you need to be able to prioritize your day so that you give yourself the space to have balance with other activities, whether that's the exercise, managing any other activities that you have to take care of in your day, and then also preparing yourself, going into the game headspace like any professional athlete or elite performer. You've got to have your routines to prepare yourself, whether that's reviewing your playbook, visually and mentally going through the strategies when they present, managing that risk and that stress, and then also going back and reviewing that activity. It's always about constant progress, and don't focus on perfection, focus on improvement and progress. You want to be able to remind yourself that if you're taking on more than what you can manage properly in terms of your risk, or you're being too aggressive with your trading strategies, go back to simple steps. Keep it really simple. Manage your risk, manage the downside. Focus on constant improvement and articulate that in your journal. If you can keep looking and learning on a daily basis, you'll keep improving. If you manage the downside, you'll stay in the game and you'll keep getting better. So hopefully that gives you some insight. As I said, go spend a few bucks, get a notebook. That's the simplest way to start. Start journaling, start keeping details of your best trade setups, review those, prepare yourself mentally, keep good records, and may the markets go with you. Keep improving, traders, and enjoy the ride.
Hi traders, it's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.